Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest beauty and personal care products. Today, we're diving into a skincare gem that's been making waves in the industry. Get ready to discover why this product is hailed as the best hyaluronic acid for dry skin available in the market. Let's delve into the allies of skin. Retinal and Peptides Repair Night Cream. First things first, let's talk ingredients. This overnight mask is packed with powerhouse components designed to rejuvenate and hydrate your skin while you catch those Z's. With retinaldehyde, hyaluronic acid, and argan oil leading the charge, your skin is in for a treat. Now, what sets this product apart? It's all about that patented ALI-R formula, folks. Say goodbye to traditional retinoids that leave your skin irritated and hello to a gentler yet equally effective alternative. And with the added benefits of peptides, fine lines and fatigue become a thing of the past. But don't just take our word for it. Users rave about the transformative effects of this night cream. From erasing fine lines to waking up to refreshed, glowing skin, the results speak for themselves. And here's the kicker: it's suitable for all skin types. Whether you're battling dryness, dullness, or premature aging, this cream has got your back. Plus, it's vegan and formulated without any nasty fillers, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. Let's talk benefits. This multitasking marvel not only hydrates and brightens but also accelerates skin rejuvenation overnight. Say hello to smoother texture, reduced pore size, and a radiant complexion, all without the irritation. And let's not forget about its versatility. Whether you're winding down after a long day or prepping your skin for a flight, this mask has you covered. It's your perfect antidote to stressed-out skin and harsh environmental factors. In conclusion, the allies of skin. Retinal and Peptides Repair Night Cream is a game-changer for anyone seeking hydrated, luminous skin without the irritation. With its potent formula and rave reviews, it's no wonder why this product is considered the best hyaluronic acid for dry skin. Treat yourself to the ultimate skincare experience and wake up to your best skin yet. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful product critiques. Until next time, stay radiant.